Hey everybody, Ty Armstrong here, Internet Marketer, Affiliate Marketer. Here to tell you a little bit about a program that I'm promoting, a ClickBank product that's been #1 selling product on ClickBank for 2 years running, called ClickBank Passive Income 4.0 by Patrick Chan. This program, the reason why this program is so great is because they give you everything in the box for one low price. You get everything. You get marketing materials for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all of it. AdWords by Google. He walks you through everything with instructional videos that are newbie friendly, which is beginners. Okay, this program was really designed for beginners and newbies because they have the hardest time when they first come on the internet trying to adapt to some of these affiliate products. Some of these affiliate products are a little bit hard for newbies. That's why Patrick Chan designed this program just for you guys. Okay, here's the problem that I was having in the past, why I chose to be financially free and work on the internet and work from home. I hated my job, hated my boss, hated my 9 to 5, hated the rat race of driving to work every day. This got, over the years, just wore me down mentally and physically. Okay, and this is the reason I chose to start looking for ways to make money online, just like you did today. You found my link because you were looking for ways to make money online to become financially free. Because you're probably tired of your 9 to 5, your corporate job, your boss, your commute, all of those things, and you want to have passive income for the rest of your life. Well, you came to the right place, and I'll tell you right now, this program is a great start for beginners. Like I said before, it's affordable, it's a quality program, and it's a ClickBank program. And as you well know, ClickBank is one of the top affiliate product platforms on the internet today. Okay, so if you want to check out the program, you can do one of two things. You can download the free ebook I have, and that's going to give you an introduction to Patrick Chan and give you kind of a summary about what the program entails. Or you could just go ahead and buy the program on the link that says buy it now, and you can get the program and get started today. They have top-notch support, so you won't be left alone on an island by yourself. They're going to be walking you through this with instructional videos, not a lot of reading, a lot of good instructional stuff to help you along the way, to make it simple for you to get started and start making money in, I would say, 2 to 4 weeks. So if you're looking for financial freedom, if you're tired of the rat race, if you're tired of the 9 to 5, you gotta start wanting to really put time into yourself and believe in yourself, get on the internet and start working and start becoming financially free. Okay? Click the link below. If you want to buy it, it says you can buy it right here. If you want the free ebook to check it out first and look into it later, you can do that as well. You click the link below, and that's going to take you to 1 or 2 of those pages. Okay? You have the option to buy or the free ebook. Okay? I'm glad that you came to the page. Thank you for stopping by. This is Ty Armstrong Sr. God bless.